Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Brave browser and remove Shield settings, beginner guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the Brave browser, begin by closing the application if it is running. For Windows users, click on the Start menu at the bottom left corner of your screen. Type Control Panel into the search bar and select it from the results. In the Control Panel, locate and click on Programs. Next, select Programs and Features. Scroll through the list. Once found, right-click on Brave and select Uninstall. Follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation process. If you're using macOS, first, close the Brave browser if it's active. Open the Finder, then go to Applications in the sidebar. Locate the Brave browser application in the Applications folder. Drag the Brave icon to the trash or right-click and select Move to Trash. To ensure all related files are removed, open the Finder again. Select Go to Folder from the drop-down. Type in /library application support and hit Enter. Locate the Brave folder within this directory and drag it to the trash. Empty the trash to permanently delete the Brave files. Now, let's remove the Shield settings if you plan to reinstall Brave later. Open the Brave browser one last time before uninstalling, if you haven't already. Click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to access the menu. From the menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, locate Shields on the left side. Click on Shields to view your current settings. To reset, toggle the settings back to their defaults or turn off Shields entirely. Once finished, close the Brave browser for good. You have now successfully uninstalled Brave and removed any Shield settings associated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.